Hi there, I'm Chie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you an ink and watercolor painting of Antwerp Central Station in Belgium, one of the most stunning train stations in Europe. If you love urban sketching, architecture and watercolor art, this video is for you. Usually I like to start with a light pencil sketch to ensure the main structures fit nicely on the paper. Then using a dip pen and waterproof ink, I begin capturing the station's impressive architecture. Antwerp Central Station is often called the Railway Cathedral. With its incredible mix of Art Nouveau, Neo-Baroque and eclectic architectural details, it's perfect subject for a travel sketchbook. Once the lines are completed and totally dried, it's time to bring the sketch to life with watercolor. I like how lines hold everything together while the watercolor adds depth and vibrancy. This ink and watercolor technique is one of my favorites for travel sketching as it's quick, expressive, and perfect for capturing memories on the go. And here's the final piece, Antwerp Central Station in ink and watercolor. Let me know in the comments which architectural landmarks you would like to see painted next. If you enjoy watching this urban sketching process, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more ink and watercolor art, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future art adventures. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.